Hey everybody, Brent from Baldman Knife and Tool here. I want to take a second, talk to you about portabands. Now I make knives, you can see back here. I use this portaband a ton. So I went searched for a bunch of portabands. If you've been looking for portabands, you know they're not cheap. But there's one that is cheap, and that is this guy. That's this Harbor Freight Bauer brand, variable speed, deep cut bandsaw. So this is the bandsaw I got when I first started making knives, and I've been using this Bauer bandsaw, not this particular one, because actually this is my second one. The reason I want to do this video is I want to talk about why I continue to get the Bauer portaband. The reason is I got, the first one was a gift that was given to me when I first started making knives. My wife and my best friend, they bought me a portaband, and they bought me this swag off-road table to bolt it to, and hooked me up with that. So I had this Bauer portaband. Now I could get a different one. Actually, when my first one broke, I was going to get a different one. But what I did was I noticed that Harbor Freight had them on sale. They had them on sale for $99 at the time, something like that. And so $99, we know, you like a DeWalt, another, whatever brand, Milwaukee, you're going to be looking close to $300 or more for a portaband. So what I did, I saw they had these on sale for $99, and you can get a 2-year free replacement plan through Harbor Freight for any of their tools, 1 year, 2 year. I opted for the 2-year, and I bought another one, and all in, I think I was like right around $130 for this portaband and a 2-year free replacement. You don't need your receipt. You just walk in as long as you got your account with your phone number, and they will give you a new one. So I'm getting ready to go get a new one, and I will let you know how that went as soon as I get back, because actually I haven't had to go and test their warranty out. So what happened on this one, my blade broke, and I was wondering why my blade broke, and I will show you here what happened. So here's what happened. This lower bearing came apart, and when that came apart, it started rubbing, causing a bunch of heat, and probably really grabbed onto that belt, and that's what broke on this one. So I'm gonna go test out their warranty and see how easy it is to go get myself a new Bauer variable speed bandsaw with my 2-year free replacement warranty. I'll check back shortly with a new one, hopefully. All right, so I just got back from Harbor Freight. Man, did this go smoothly. Again, this was not my first Bauer portaband, but this was my first time dealing with their 2-year or 1-year free replacement plan, and I'm telling you, it went super smooth. So what happened, took me about 5 minutes of being there, and I got in there, and the two ladies that were there, they helped me out. They were great, and I got a new Bauer portaband. Look at that. This thing hopefully lasts me a little longer than the other one, but the cool thing about their warranty and that free replacement is some companies will do that free replacement, and they'll make it proactive or prorate that. So you get one replacement, and then, if say it lasted 6 months and you got a 2-year replacement plan, now you're dealing with 1 year and 6 months. So you're a year and a half, and then, so on. With the way Harbor Freight does it on these is once you use that, that is a one-time free replacement. So on this, they offer you, do you want to purchase the free replacement on this new tool? So, of course, yes, because, again, this is now my third Bauer portaband. So, yes, I'm going to purchase that replacement warranty to be proactive on this one. So now I went ahead and did the 2-year again, but those last two that I had, each one of those lasted less than a year. So if this one lasts less than a year, I'm only going to purchase the year warranty on the next one that I get. So I wanted to let you guys know Harbor Freight was a pleasure to deal with on getting this warranted. Super excited about that. I was really glad. Sometimes it can be a pain to deal with, and this one was not. Harbor Freight was great. The ladies that were at the store were great. They helped me out, and I got my new portaband back here. So I got another 2 years on that one, and thank you, Harbor Freight, for offering that warranty and making it a smooth process. And thank you for my local Harbor Freight people for being great and not giving me a hassle and just getting it done for me. So I hope this helps you out. If you're looking at getting a portaband, again, you've seen they're not cheap, and these ones are. And I got this one, again, to recap, on sale for $100 is when I got my first one that I purchased the warranty with. So all in, it's for a 2-year warranty. You're looking at another $30. So for $130, I got a portaband, and I got a 2-year free replacement on it. So this last time that I just went in, got this one, I spent $30, got another 2-year warranty, so free replacement. So we'll see how this goes, and I hope you guys get your portaband situation squared away and get to making and working and cutting some stuff. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you enjoyed it.